Welcome to downtown Asheville. We are previewing one of the condos located at this building. It's on the 3rd floor and it was built in 1926. It's on the Broadway. There are multiple shops around here, as you can see. There's a nice coffee place that I had my Earl Grey tea from, called Rowan Coffee. Then there's Embellish Asheville. I don't even know what business it is. It says handmade jewelry and accessories. But behind us is an interesting store. So let's go and check out this apartment number 57A. And I'm here previewing the property that is listed by the Overman Group Real Estate. Rebecca Andrews is the listing agent. This property is in the heart of downtown. Let's go and check it out inside. As we're coming in, there's a nice big hallway, very tall ceilings, and there is a guest bathroom. It's a full bathroom. This condo is 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You already saw one bathroom, and now you're going to see a beautiful kitchen. The setup of this condominium is a loft. Look at the flooring, look at the arts and crafts designed cabinets, as well as the modern items such as the refrigerator and the stove and the dishwasher. I love this wall. That's actually what caught my attention on the pictures when I looked through the properties. The brick wall, the open stairs. So I can't wait to see what upstairs looks like, because that was one of the selling points for me. This is a ginormous living room area. You can entertain a lot of friends here. And there's interesting looking door that I'm curious what it does. Does it have a secret entrance for a hobbit or for a neighbor? It looks really cool. And actually, there's a brick right behind it. So at some point, there must have been an opening to the neighboring property. There's a nice big balcony, as you can see. There's plenty of light and the view of downtown. Let's walk upstairs and see what the bedrooms look like. Let's glance at the skylight that is placed over here as well. It gives a lot of natural light to the whole condominium. Very big room. Could be used as a study or an office or a sitting area. Plenty of shelving space for your books or different dudettes. Here's a bedroom number 1. Also has a tray ceiling with a nice skylight. Very, very big room, very spacious. That leaves up to your imagination where your bed's gonna go, where your sitting area is gonna go. There's also a laundry with a small sink. So tiny. And here is a closet. There's also a closet number 2. There is a walk-in with very nice shelving and plenty of space for all of your garments. Here's another bedroom that has more light than the previous one that we saw. It also has access to the outdoors, and we're gonna go and check it out. But first, let's look at the closet space. Here's a closet number 1, and it connects with the closet number 2. Hello. There is a bathroom with a nice big tub and actually natural lighting. I would enjoy having this deep tub and the natural lighting it provides. Interesting stonework. It's beautiful. It's like it's been made from different kinds of stone. White cabinets and another door. But we can't really move it, so it looks awesome. And there is a toilet. Toilet is separated from the room, and it has a separate access from the hallway as well. And this is our last spot. Check out the live in Asheville. You hear all the noises from the AC, smell the food, see the cars moving around. There's a commotion going on. You are in the heart of downtown. Everything is walkable from here. And you have a long range mountain views. So what do you think of this 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom, almost 2,200 square foot condo in the heart of downtown for $1,295,000 with long-range mountain views and smells of all the wonderful foods, as well as the noises of the vibrant life in Asheville? See you in the next video.